In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear track bar on your Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a ratchet and a 21mm socket, unscrew the holding nut on the passenger side. Block the rotation of the holding nut with a 21mm wrench. Finish unscrewing by hand. Then remove the bolt. Then, using the same tools, unscrew the retaining bolt on the other side. Finish unscrewing by hand. You can now remove the track bar. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Brush and grease the location to facilitate the installation. You can order the track bar used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new track bar. Put the track bar back in place. Replace the bolts. Loosely screw the nuts back on to hold it together. Screw the nuts back in until they make contact. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Put your truck back on the ground. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.